Okay, so this is my book walk of my All About Tornadoes project. My reflection. What I learned. I learned that tornadoes are so dangerous. Number 2, what I did not expect. I did not expect a tornado would happen on my birthday. So shocking, right? What I still wonder. I still wonder if a hurricane and a tornado can happen at the same exact time. Why I picked tornadoes. Weather topics. I picked tornadoes because my brother did tornadoes in 2nd grade too, and I love tornadoes. And then this is my title page of my book. And then this is a table of contents where it tells you all of the chapters where they're on. And then this is a page number. This is page number 2. And then this is highlighted, and it says seeing glossary miles per hour because miles per hour is in the glossary. And then this is an illustration. And then this is another illustration, and this is a photograph, and a photograph is like when something that it was like taken with a picture like in person. And then these are labels of the tornado. And then this is a caption. It says photo of a tornado from up close. And then this is a map, and this is a heading, and then another page number. There's a page number on every single page so you know what number it is. And then this is a diagram, and this is another illustration, and this is called Tornadoes Can Get Close. And then these are 2 different kinds of maps, and this side's all about tornadoes in Texas, tornadoes in Florida. This is a map of Texas. This is a map of Florida. This is another photo with labels. And then this is a bold text. And then I bolded it because it hit and then this is a glossary. A glossary is a glossary is basically like when you picked out some words that are tricky, like tornado, and it basically it shows you the definition of a tornado, what word that means. And then this is my what's it say?
Sources.
This is my sources, and then it basically shows you where all of the websites that you found them on. And this is another sources page. And then this is my little thing, and this is a tornado. These are this is Texas, and then I drew grass because I pulled up a picture and there's a lot of grass in Texas. And then there's the tornado, and then there's a shelter right down there. It goes to that house, and it's a crawl space, and they go down there to that shelter. And then this lady is hiding behind a tree while the tornado and thunder is still going on because tornadoes can start by thunderstorms. And so she is hiding behind a tree. Thunder could strike that tree and it could kill her or knock the tree down. Or the tornado could come and she's holding onto the tree. So the tornado could come and swipe up the tree and swipe her. Bye!